Awa neru wa gbona. When ije dan, nege bioma. Ije no ma value omu. Nege bioma. Akan mama we put pikin for belle for good 9 to 10 months. You born and finish, you don't raise the pikin. You don't know the value of your pikin when you born. Iye Sharon. Mama Sharon. Ebena amo Sharon yoto. Ekune una kwesto we. Ima oni we una kwesto una pa una aliye kene hana mo Sharon yoto. No try am. Make sure say you open your store. That day, buy drink, fill your fridge. In case if they don't bury Sharon finish, then you will carry them from your bar. You will go, they will drink. Then you take celebrate. Because carelessness, now you take by this girl. Carelessness. You put everybody, when we have to move your ballot. Sharon was a very good girl. When every year move your ballot, Sharon. My people, you will comment for here, tell me, say, why you they talk like this? You're not supposed to talk like this to somebody. Because they le gbe ya ballot me, ya mi we ti sakonde we. Ina mi we, isakonde we. So as they ba try we, wa to gbin rubbish on a video na, try go at all. Because this one quiet, the other one quiet. Nobody they talk. Everybody don't hear the truth. My people, I want to tell you a story. What thing happen? How Sharon pa me take back. May I explain it to you now? Let's go to the first pregnancy, her first daughter, when she fell born. When Sharon born her first daughter, my people, it let you know say Sharon mama house with Sharon house when she buy for abroad, just 15 minutes, maybe 20. If it took much, maybe 20 minutes for bus. As Sharon born, this woman not take care of her daughter. Or mama, when mama they say mama can do omugo. This one not be say she not get mama for abroad. Say her mama de Nigeria. Her mama dey close to her. Where she dey live, my people. This woman not close by one day. Make she go sit down with her pikin. Make she go take care of her way. Or you let that be any cook for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. You know they will. Una know who take care of Sharon when she born. Her friend. Easy no yokba wo imane. Or yeva wo imane. Even no ya God nobody bless life for Easy. When be good friend. Easy her mama. Patient Easy your mother her mama. Now take care of Sharon when Sharon born her first daughter. Your mama did every day na her bar. Not be said that they quarrel. Una hear me so. After, because Easy no need to tell me, say, Sharon did my house. If I call Easy for phone like this, would they talk? After I don't congratulate Sharon, if I call now, would they talk? Sharon did there. I can't imagine, say, I can't even call some of my friends inside, say, what thing happen? Sharon, not there where her mama did. The mama did there. Why Sharon go there where Easy did when you're newborn? I talk on small arrest. That one pass. When I go visit Easy that day. Sharon did there because she get belly. Her pregnancy was 6 months. I'm not showing for camera, for video when I do. Then our daughter, mono baby, no know as children they be. I go wrong, go there, with her pregnancy. I not see we will come out, we'll go on Mama Sharon back because she get restaurants inside. We'll go eat fish, eat yam, we'll eat. I not see where that small girl, Sharon daughter, Mimi. I not see where she go meet her grandmama, go sit down, me her grandmama carry her. Now so she dey use body to rob her pregnant mama. Now so she dey use body to rob her pregnant mama. She dey disturb the mama. Then come to after a few days for radio when I go. Party come day where they want go. All of us come go the party. As we dey go, mama Sharon ready like Selembe. Sharon with pregnancy. All of us with her friends, 3 of us, they go the party. So now Sharon, I carry her pikin. Now so they carry pikin. The pikin not follow me. Now Easy can carry the pikin. In mama, grandmama, no they carry pikin. She not they carry. After anywhere Sharon they go, the pikin will follow her. The mama no be say now say the bar when she get now say too dey busy. No. People they go down. I know as abroad, Africa bar be for abroad. People know they pack too much. No, like that. Say you know can't get chance the way Nigeria bar they be. Okay, say because say she too dey busy, she not get time to take care of her grandchild, her granddaughter, my people. Let's come to where Sharon for born. Una when they call say na so Sharon born, now when she want born, now she take enter coma, now this one she not from hospital go house. Why you got tell me na who am I say what I know rich more, I know they talking. Sharon born successfully. The daughter, una know for abroad. As she born, they go examine her. If she dey okay, then they will allow her go house. If she not dey okay, the daughter not go leave her, make she go house. Sharon was okay, healthy. Now they discharge her, she can't go house. My people, as Sharon reach house, she don't see who take care of her. Sharon, mommy, man, no ba okay. Mommy, J. My name is J. Who will not get mama? They cry our mama. Who get mama? Who get mama? No love. Mama no love her. Yeah, mama no love her. Mama no love her. Who get mama? Who will not get? They cry our mama. Mama Sharon, you too do. You too do. I wish say you take care of Sharon. Sharon for no pay. They discharge Sharon. She was okay. She don't think they do Sharon. Easy go take care of Sharon for 3-4 days because Easy already buy ticket. She want travel. And she want travel now. She has to go to where she want go. I wish that she knows say Sharon will go buy. Easy for no travel. The Easy travel finish. Only Sharon. I know as children they be. Mimi go wrong go here. You go wrong go here. You go wrong go here. You can't go here. Mama was saying all those shouts for the small girl. Stay here, stay there. Only she go bath the senior one. Bath the baby. Do this one. Come do laundry. Come cook. Come do this one. Come cook. Come do this one. The next thing. Edick start to the warrior. As Edick the warrior Sharon. And they then they rush Sharon. Come shout. Then she can't go hospital. As she reach hospital, the next thing, they never even attend to her. Then she take collapse. She take that coma. And Sharon take by. I say, Sharon, since when you take get belay, it can be when I know you have it. Then it can be when you have the pregnancy fit Sharon. You see, and when she get belay, it can be when I know you have rua. Always I made the wicked be now. What the back be my like you? You want be any hour with diet and see it. Oh, was you know, you couldn't see any one must see. I don't know, say, and the last time when I want to see Sharon be that. Ma Sharon, you do also. Make sure, say, you no cry. You know lock your shop. The more Sharon, no try her. Yes, Sharon, at that way. Why arrest or why hear me? Mono suppose no I. Mono suppose no I yo, yes, Sharon. Mono suppose no I yo. Mono suppose. Mono ya kibie. O se no murio wa Sharon eh. O se ne Sharon murio wa. Yes, Sharon, carelessness, Sharon ya carelessness. My people, Ade, Adoye Sharon Ade, Sange Vela Herere, Sange Vela Herere, Sharon Yahu, Mami no coque, Mami no bauge. It is where, Una let una know say when she still dey coma, this her mama so. They go her bar, go they sit down for bar. Her mama they bar, her pikin they come out from hospital. If she reach there, look, you will see come out, you go open store. My people. Now the small pikin baby, now she carry. The Mimi come there with Easy. She not even carry the two of them. Now when Sharon don't buy, who want to take care of the children? This her mama. And this her mama will take care of the children. Mama will not fit take out the one way when she push come out. I want to take care of the two children. I want to take care of the 2 children. I want to take care of the 2 children. So painful. The one way not value, the one way be say she push comment. That one value, the one way be say, the one way I pick push comment. That don't go away, Sharon. Okay, I want to Sharon awa. Sharon ewu. No matter boy, ya we ati kwa. No matter te kwa ya we ati. Omi no gba oga e wo bi e. Sharon. My name is Maya Solo. When I get mama, they cry my mama. I remember when I bought my pikin. The love when my mama showed me. When I bought my pikin, the love when my mother showed me, my Lord, the love. I get the belly like this. Then the papa abandoned me. But my mother stood by me. Mama don't let me. As I don't born the pikin for months, Mama say carry give me. He even let me nurse the pikin for how many months. As I dey nurse the pikin, I dey leave am for there anyhow. I dey waka by waka. As I don't reach 1 year, Mama say, give me. Find your way. Go live your life. If Papa no dey with Papa again, live your life. Mama no let me suffer. No let me know say, man where I born for. No dey there. My mother was there for me. Why so Mama don't know the words of their pikin? Pikin when you carry for your own belly. God do this thing. God pikin say, this pregnancy childbearing, if you don't born, so that you go, as you suffer for that pregnancy, when you born that pikin, you will know the value of that pikin. That God create that like that. That make God put that so much obaloni. Why be a value of money no be. Also, so nobody be pay. Your video, but one is just so. Why opono ojanu wa han money wa don't push every labor laws. Why value of money no be. Awa. Why value of money no be. La. Why value Nonsense.